What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I got a little bit of a different video for you. Honestly, I'm pretty stoked about this, but a little bit nervous. Not that I can't get this accomplished, but I have my first customer truck. A buddy of mine asked if I would put rock lights on his truck, and I've never really done any work to anybody else's truck before. I've really never touched anybody else's truck. This is going to be kind of a learning experience for me. Again, not that I can't do it, but with your own stuff, you do a few other things that you would be okay with, but sometimes the customer or somebody else might be like, hey, I don't like that. So he's pretty cool. He trusts me, so we're going to get this accomplished. He did a McTuning. I just got everything kind of laid out, trying to figure out where I'm going to place them. Unlike my 2014 F-150 that I did rock lights on, there was a few more places to hide things. This Ram doesn't have as many of those places, so I'm going to have to get creative and figure out what I'm going to do. He did a 16 piece, so we're going to do 2 in each wheel well, and then 2 front, 2 back, 2 on each side. So it should throw out quite a bit of light. I've heard good things about these McTuning rock lights, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna film the whole process of it. I'll probably maybe pick up here and there just to show you kind of when I'm done with something, but for the most part I'm probably just gonna do like a before and after. I want to take my time and I don't want to worry about filming right now, so I'll pick you up when I pick you up. So see you then. Did some rollers. I lost my hat, so if the hair's crazy, I apologize. So we're gonna get a few more shots here in the nighttime, and that's probably gonna conclude tonight's video. So I appreciate you guys watching. Look forward to more customer trucks or me getting another truck. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully I can stay consistent here with not having much content to film, but I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna keep playing with you, keep playing with you. I just wanna, yeah, I just wanna sustain with you, play no games with you. You're the apple in my eye, my eye. Every time make you leave, make me cry. Meant to be this why it always feels on time. You'll forever be my purity, you're mine. Yeah, you're mine, you're my bride, Can't believe I slipped up all of those times, that I lied. Said I played you, now I got you asking why. Can't believe I caused you more,